everyone. It's been a while since I made a post, but here I am at the car for I think over a month now. Fixed one check engine light and did the exhaust. So the reason I'm making this video now is it looks like I got another check engine light that came up. This one is a P3000, which is multiple misfire or random misfire. Looked up some stuff online, and it looks like I'm going to be troubleshooting a lot of random things. Some people say check timing. Some people say check the actual timing belt to make sure it didn't miss a tooth somewhere. Some people say check spark plug. Some people say check spark plug wires. Basically, there's multiple things that it could be. So I'm going to start off with spark plugs. I picked up some NGK V-Powers, $250 a plug, so not too expensive. We'll start there, and we'll keep working forward. As I replace each thing, I'll make a quick video so you guys can see what it is. But right now, it feels fine. Doesn't feel like it's misfiring. Check engine light came up, and I had it scanned. Multiple misfire. So let's go down this rabbit hole, and hopefully we get it all fixed. Until then, talk to you guys later.